Maptek has been providing innovative systems to the mining industry for more than 40 years, with over 25,000 users across the globe. Maptek digital solutions are optimizing process and safety across the entire mining industry, from exploration to rehabilitation. Introducing Maptek VisionV2X, a new proximity awareness system using dynamic meshing Wi-Fi technology to keep people and equipment safe. VisionV2X uses proven automotive industry technology, enabling reliable detection between heavy vehicles, light vehicles, and personnel, with no requirement for additional infrastructure, and can be fitted to any site or vehicle. Personnel and machinery are equipped with tracking tags. Heavy vehicles are equipped with the VisionV2X touchscreen interface. Using visible and audible feedback, ensuring operators know the proximity of at-risk personnel and vehicles. The advanced proximity awareness system has warning zones, with meter accuracy, and providing visibility underground, in front, behind, and around blind corners in the darkest environments. Maptek VisionV2X. Your eyes underground.